Hello, today I am going to walk you through a Sun Salutation A. So let's just get right into it. Option, I will show you with blocks, but let's start with our basic Sun Salutation. So start at the top of your mat. Our feet are about hip distance apart. Lengthen up through the spine. Our shoulders are back and down. And when you're ready, inhale, the arms come up high to the sky. Exhale, we hinge from the hips and we fold forward over the legs, keeping a nice slight micro bend in the knees. Inhale, we come up halfway, flat back. Exhale, we come on down and plant the hands and step back to a plank. Our shoulders are stacked over the wrist. We're spreading the fingertips into the mat and our tailbone is tucked under. Hinge forward and lower all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, release the feet onto the mat. Lift the chest for cobra or upward facing dog. And then curl the toes under, lift the hips high for downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet. We're lifting our hips up and back. Belly button is coming into spine. Take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. And on your next inhale, step on up to the top of your mat with a long spine, little micro bend in the knees. Exhale, we fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up high to the sky. Exhale, hands come back down to mountain or Tadasana. Let's try that again. Inhale, the arms come up high to the sky. Exhale, we forward fold. Option to use your blocks. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, we fold. You can move your blocks, plant the hands, step back to a plank. Variation option is to drop the knees. Tailbone is tucked under. Come on forward, lower all the way down. Feet come flat onto the mat. Inhale, cobra, halfway lift the chest. Or option to come all the way up. And curl those toes under, downward facing dog. Option, you can use your blocks for downward facing dog. And up and back. Take a nice deep breath in, deep breath out. Come on back up, step up to the top of your mat. Inhale, we lengthen. Exhale, we fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up high to the sky. Exhale, hands come down through heart center or down by your side for Tadasana. Blow it out one more time. Are you ready? Inhale, arms come up high to the sky. Exhale, we fold forward over the legs. Inhale, we halfway lift. Exhale, plant those hands, step back to plank. Lowering through your chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. And curl the toes back for downward facing dog. Good job. Take a nice deep breath in and a nice deep breath out. Step on back to the top of the mat. Long spine. Fold. Sweep those arms up high to the sky. Hands come down through heart center. Good job. See, we use Sun Salutation to help build heat in the body, and it activates all the muscles throughout from head to toe. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.